Hi guys, today we are going to see about problem solving in artificial intelligence. In this video, we are going to see about problem solving process. In problem solving, we know that the field of AI comprises with many fascinating areas, but problem solving is fundamental to many of the AI based applications. Problem solving, it is one of the area to deal with finding answer for the unknown situations. It involves understanding, representation, formulation as well as solving. The simple definition encapsulates two types of problems. One is a simple problem, another one is a complex problem. The simple problem type of problems are the one that can be solved by a deterministic procedure. We'll have enough information to reach your goal state. Then that considered will be a simple problem. If it is a complex problem, it is a complex or real world problem. The data which is what we have that is not fully aware of the scenario. This lack of information lead to the problem as a complex or a real world problems. Here, to solve a problem solving methods, we should follow two things. One is planning, another one is a decision making. In this progress of a problem solving method, the term problem is used in a situation when the deserved objective is not ambiguous. That is, arriving to an objective from initial situation is unknown initially and it consists of sequence of intermediate objectives. The process of solving a problem may vary from individual to individual. An individual opinion within the knowledge and the skills will define how to generate a solution for a specific problem. Okay, here we can see this picture. In this, it is the process of generating the solutions. It involves how to achieve your goal state from your initial state or from the problem statement. This process consists of sequence of well-defined method that can handle doubts or inconsistency situations, uncertainty, ambiguity, and it help in achieving the deserved output. The word problem, that is composes computational task also. When we talk about problems like matrix inverse or solving the quadratic or a simultaneous equation, then the process involves computation to arrive at a solution. Okay, but in case of AI, the problem is formulated and solved by searching for a solution in space of possible solutions. Actually, gradual the problem solving horizon will be include with the other technicals of natural processing, then machine learning, game playing, and so on. The problems may also include sophisticated information storage, retrieval, then information extraction, decision making, and so on. Here the term problem, the problem is defined with the following conditions. The first one, every problem is defined in a context. In this context, it has certain assumptions under initial situations. The second one is the problem, every problem has a well-defined objective. The third one, the solution to every problem consists of set of activities. Each activity will change to state of problem, that is from the present state to the new state. This new state is closer to the solution state. Finally, the initial state will approach the goal state. So this is a way how it will follow with your procedures from the initial state to the goal state. Previous knowledge and domain knowledge both are used for the resources during a different stage in the solution process. So the primary objective in solution process is the problem identification. The problem identification makes the problem space boundary. Here we have in the previous slide we had the first one is a problem identification. So by using this way, we will mark the space boundary. This precisely tell us what the achiever goal is and what information is used during the solution process. After the problem definition, the next, in case of operational research, the objective is to optimize the operation cost. of an item under the boundary condition. If they are not defined properly, the number of operations and the resources which is required to increase substantially, no, the solution may become complex and sometimes it may not be achievable. There are many real-time problems that cannot be solved even if they have a open for a generic solutions. But if it is limited to certain environments, no, to be solved, if they are open for a general solutions also, it can be solvable. That type of every problem has need a different treatment depending on the goal, initial information and the assumptions what we can have. General problem solving technicals involve the following technicals. First one is a problem definition, then problem analysis and representation, then planning, execution, evaluation solution, then at last we'll have the consolidating gains. So in the next topic, we'll see the problem formulation video. Okay, thank you.